Hey creatives, today we're talking all about developing a good overall branding for your entrepreneurial business and how to utilize that in a well-rounded marketing strategy for your business success. Welcome back everybody, I'm Frank Blanchard AIFD, and as an entrepreneur just like you, we are all aware of how valuable it is to create good brand awareness for our businesses and utilizing that throughout our different strategies and platforms anywhere we are marketing our business, working our digital marketing to drive traffic to our websites, and getting those people to actually contact us and hire us for our services and products. So, in order to create good brand awareness, one of the keys is finding good, easy areas where you can work on a lot of those projects yourself, because I know for a fact a lot of creative entrepreneurs are solopreneurs. We are sole proprietors of our work, our business. We don't necessarily have employees that help us. We are definitely a one-person show, and if you're anything like I am, you as a creative, you have control issues. And oftentimes you also want to try and get things done as quickly as possible, because quite frequently we're working on multiple different things all at once. So one of the key tools that I wanted to share with you today, because I think it's so important, is Canva. I don't know if you've checked it out in the past or not, but Canva, if you're not familiar with it, is an online, I guess I would call it a graphics design program and platform for you to utilize for all kinds of things. Now, I said graphic design, which is a good portion of what you can do with Canva, but there's a whole lot more than that. But I specifically wanted to talk about brand awareness and developing your brand awareness so that you can utilize it in all of your different marketing efforts for your business. Why I like Canva, one, is it is an online platform and it is cloud-based. So when you are creating things like your Facebook cover or header for your business Facebook page, or postings for your business Facebook page, your business Instagram feed, Pinterest posts, anywhere that you have a presence on the web, and you are wanting to develop your business logo and developing that overall brand awareness, Canva makes it really easy to do all of that in one spot. And as you're developing your projects, you can save it either on your computer, or what I like is the fact that you can save it right on Canva, and it's very safe. It saves all of your work to the cloud. You can access it in order to work on it or use it anywhere you happen to be that you have access to the internet. And that way it doesn't bog down your computer and use up memory and storage on your computer, because it's all right there for you in the cloud. If you're not exactly sure what you want to create when it comes to your logo and your business branding, there are a lot of tutorials on Canva specifically to help guide you through all of the different things that you can do with it. But utilizing that and getting it working in your marketing and especially your social media marketing, that's where you're really going to develop your brand awareness and help drive traffic to you for people that really want to utilize your services and products because they love what you do. And if you can get them to know, like, and trust you and get them to your website and getting them contacting you through your social streams, that's really going to help your business grow. So today, that's what I really wanted to point out to you and suggest that if you're struggling with your marketing and developing your brand, check out Canva because it can really be helpful. You don't necessarily have to pay for it. There is, and you can have a free profile on Canva, and you can do a lot just with that. If you do want to switch to the Pro plan with Canva, again, it's really great because it enables you to do a whole lot more. And from what I found, searching the web for different platforms to do similar things, it's a very nominal fee to switch to the Pro plan. So if you check that out and start developing those logos and develop that brand awareness, that's going to be your key to success with getting the word out to the masses of what you do and what you provide. I hope you found that information helpful today. If you would give it a like, that tells me that you're liking that information and content so that I can create more for you. And definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. That way you'll get notifications every time I upload new content for you. Until next time, get out there and be creative, everybody, and do something you love. Bye for now.